Hey there. Today we're going to talk about the talent submission report and why it's important to know your numbers as an actor. It's Asia Ray Coleman, founder of ActingResourceGuru.com, and some of us are more, how shall I say, type A about our careers than others. I'm probably on the more type A side of the spectrum, and I like to know my numbers. And I think it's important for those of you who don't like statistics. It's still super important. This is a business, guys, and we need to know how we're doing. And we hear all of these stats on how many actors get submitted for roles and how few get auditions, and then one person books, right? And sometimes it's not even a person who auditioned, it's somebody who was offered a role. And so I think it's really important for you to be aware of what your numbers are as an actor, to know how many projects you're being submitted for, to know how many auditions you're getting, to know how many callbacks you're getting, to know how many bookings are resulting from those auditions and callbacks, so that you can troubleshoot where weaknesses may be. Maybe you're never getting auditions from submissions and you need to look at your marketing materials. Maybe you're getting plenty of auditions, but you're not booking them. And so you need to look at whether you're going in for the right roles, what your training is looking like, all of that. And a vital part of this process is how many submissions, where it all starts, right? And so you will only know that if you request what's called a talent submission report from your representative. Quick timeout. The most important thing is that when you ask for this report, it doesn't look like you're checking up on your agent to see if they're doing their job for you, because that's not the reason you want this report. We're going to assume that your agent is submitting you. Okay. We're just going to make that assumption. If that's not happening, that's another video, but we're going to assume that that's happening. The reason why you want to do this is to really do your own homework, to see who you're being submitted to who's not calling you in. Maybe there's something that you can do to build relationships with those people, to understand the kinds of roles that you're being submitted for. One of the things I like to do is look and see who eventually booked those roles, to see if my marketing materials are in line, to see if I am giving my agent everything that they need to sell me for a particular role. So make it clear why you want the report, okay, when you ask for it. And your agent will be thrilled to give it to you if it's going to help them be more successful at getting you auditions. Okay, so just be super crystal clear about that. So I recently asked my talent agent for the submission report so I could review it and clearly tell you what's on it. And it's different for Breakdown Services and for LA Casting. So for Breakdown Services, we have the project, the role of the casting director, the date and time of the submission, and also who at the agency submitted you, along with whether you got an audition and whether you got a callback. So that's super comprehensive information and great for you to get a scope of what exactly is happening on the front end of your career. LA Casting, or Casting Networks, their report just shows the date, the project, the role, and the casting director. So a little more general, but still super helpful information. Here's an action item for you. Request your talent submission report and take a look at it. Post in the comments to tell me when you've done it, and tell me something that you've learned and something that you're going to do to improve your ability to get more auditions. And don't forget, today is the last day of Agent Month at ActingResourceGuru.com, and so it's the last day to get your free bonus along with your purchase of the Agent Action Guide. So if you haven't gotten that yet, head on over to this link and check it out. I'll see you later.